Saw three ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw three ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Whither sailed those ships, all three, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day? Whither sailed those ships, all three, on Christmas Day in the morning? They sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Oh, they sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day in the morning. All the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. All the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day in the morning. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning. Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day in the morning.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Woo! Wow.
It's the holiday season!
Yay, it's the holiday season. And on Christmas Day, in the morning, I'm going to do lots and lots of fun stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna open presents.
Open presents.
I'm gonna give you guys presents.
Give presents.
I'm gonna
take presents.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have some hot cocoa.
Cocacino.
Oh, cocacino. Yeah, definitely cocacino. Oh, I might have some orange juice.
Orange juice.
And cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. Cookies.
Cookies. Oh, oranges. I like Christmas oranges.
Oh, Christmas oranges.
Oh, and no, oranges with cranberry sauce.
Oh,
like
Christmas oranges with cranberry sauce.
Ooh, yeah.
That's a lot of
on
sugar.
On Christmas Day in the morning.
Are you sure you want that much sugar? Because then you'd be like, ah!
I think that's exactly why I want that much sugar. On Christmas Day, Noah, I have to open up every single one of my presents, and I am going to need a lot of energy. I'm going to be like, present, present, present. And then after I finish opening all my presents, I have to be like, play with my present, play with my present, play with my present. I mean, how much sugar do you need for that?
Kids, can I come to your home for Christmas Day? Because this can be
exciting.
Very, very overwhelming.
No. This can be exciting. This can be joyous. This can be lovely. To be fair, Noah, there are a lot of rooms in the house. You can go sit in a quiet room, but...
Yeah, I'll be in a quiet room. Enjoy my presents.
Are you just gonna... So you're gonna sit quiet on Christmas morning. You're not gonna be excited or thrilled to open your presents.
I will be excited and thrilled, but not... Ah!
Oh, we'll see.
I'm more like... Ah! Woo! Yay! Woo!
I don't know. The kids and I, we've all seen you when you're really excited about a song or you're really excited about a story. You've got plenty of You just don't notice it because it's inside. Yeah. When it comes out, you don't see it. We do. We know, Noah. You are a fountain of energy. Yep.
Fountain of energy.
Yeah.
Is that what our next song is titled? Fountain of energy?
No, I was trying to give you hints, but you weren't picking up on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think it's on Christmas Day in the morning. See,
okay.
I was paying attention.
Yeah, you were paying attention. Were you kids paying attention? Did you figure that out? See, right there. Fountain of energy. All right.
I don't know this song. And I don't think the kids know the song. Are you going to teach us this song?
Yeah. I'll teach you guys the song.
I just know the title of the song.
Oh. Well, do you know the second title of the song?
No.
Okay. The second title of the song is I Saw Three Ships.
I saw three ships?
And that is the beginning of the first line of the song.
Well, what does Christmas Day morning have to do with three ships?
The song will tell us. So we should read the song or sing the song.
Okay.
And then we'll learn. Yeah?
Okay, sounds good.
So it starts out.
So what's the melody?
It goes, I saw three ships come sailing in.
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 On Christmas Day, on Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day, on Christmas Day.
I saw three ships come sailing in.
I saw three ships come sailing in.
On Christmas Day in the morning.
On Christmas Day in the morning.
Whither sailed those ships all three?
Whither sailed those ships all three?
On Christmas Day, on Christmas Day.
On Christmas Day, on Christmas Day.
Whither sailed those ships all three?
Whither sailed those ships all three?
On Christmas Day in the morning.
On Christmas Day in the morning.
Yeah, and every verse just goes like that.
Oh, I can do
You wanna
that.
try that?
Yeah, kids, can you do that too?
Yeah, I hope you guys are having fun and that you can do that too, I guess.
Yeah, I think
and
we
if
can
not,
do
just
that.
practice more.
Yeah,
Mhm.
we can do that. We're good singers.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They're great. Okay, ready?
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready.
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 So, how much sugar did you have this morning?
I just had one cappuccino.
But with 3 shots of cocoa?
Always.
That's a lot of sugar.
No.
Oh, Noah.
Oh, okay.
On Christmas Day!
On Christmas
Yay,
Day! Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I saw 3 ships come sailing in. Oh! I just get so excited.
Was that wrong? Did I do it wrong?
No, that was me.
I
no,
did it wrong.
No,
again. Oh, I'm
no,
sorry.
Noah, you did it right. I did it wrong. I was doing.
What were you doing?
Oh, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas. Oh, you know what? I didn't teach you very well.
Oh.
So you know how I said I saw 3 ships come sailing in.
Yeah, and then on Christmas Day,
Yeah. So that's.
I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning with sailor
Yeah.
those ships all 3 on Christmas Day
Yeah.
with sailor those ships all 3 on Christmas Day in the morning.
Yeah, you got it
Oh,
perfect.
they sailed in Bethlehem on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day they sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day in the morning, and all the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day, and all the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day in the morning,
And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning.
Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day in the morning. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning.
Woo!
See?
I was just saying, because I made a mistake, but then I also realized that I didn't tell you to put the lines together, but you already knew to put the lines together very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you taught me.
Yeah.
Why are you moving away? You don't like me? Do I stink or?
I just,
Oh, because you're trying to hide.
yeah, I'm hiding by the
That's
tree.
okay. It's okay.
I made a mistake, so I was
can go.
hiding. No, it's okay.
You
It's okay.
stinky.
I'll just-
Stinky.
Yeah, probably.
It's okay. You can hide. You
Nope.
hide.
Nope.
No, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
Shall we do it together again?
Yeah, let's do it together and
Okay.
let's do it the right way.
Yeah. And
Okay?
yeah. Okay.
Are you ready?
Hold on. Oh, can you give us a starting note, please?
Okay.
Wait, I have a frog in my throat.
Ships come sailing. Why would you swallow a frog?
I didn't really swallow a frog. It was just my...
Oh, but you just said you had a frog in your throat.
Yeah, when your throat is scratchy, people say I have a frog in my throat.
Yeah, but why do they say that? Did you swallow a frog or do you have a frog there? But why?
It's because it sounds like you have a frog, because for a second it goes... like a frog sound, like... See? It sounds kind of like a frog.
Maybe you should do and I'll see if you have a frog in there. No, there's no frog in there.
Feels like it. Okay. Feels like it's hopping around like hop, 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 hop. No, I think I just heard someone say that somewhere and thought, that's funny, I'd like a frog in my throat.
I don't want a frog in my throat.
Yeah. Good point.
Okay.
But what if Kermit was in your throat? That'd be funny.
What?
Yeah, and then you'd sound like Kermit when you talked. You'd be like, hi-ho, I'm Kermit D. Frog here.
Kermit
I can't
the
really,
Frog?
Yeah, Kermit D. Frog. I can't really do a Kermit Frog.
No, I can't
voice.
do that.
Yeah.
We'll have to learn that. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, Kermit. Oh, he's nice. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay,
What
one.
are we waiting for? Your frog.
Yeah, my frog.
Okay, is it gone now?
Yeah, he hopped away.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Whither sailed those ships all 3 on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Whither sailed those ships all 3 on Christmas Day in the morning. Oh, they sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. They sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day in the morning. And all the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day in the morning. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning. Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day in the morning. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning.
Woo! I gotta work on my breath support.
Yeah.
Yeah. That song is, I don't know if, maybe we should just put some pauses in there.
Yeah, but I
mean,
did
wow.
pretty good, right? For the first time.
We did wonderful.
Yep.
But think about like how tired your fingers, think about how tired your fingers would be if you were playing the piano.
Yeah.
That's like a lot of notes.
I'll have to learn that later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think that's it, right?
Yeah, do you guys want to sing the sing-along version now?
Yeah, do you want to sing the sing-along version?
Yeah? Okay, well, stay tuned for the sing-along version and have fun, guys. We hope that you guys have a wonderful day on Christmas Day.
Exactly.
Yeah, not just in the morning, but the whole day long.
Yeah. And the day before and the day after.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay. Well, kids, thanks for watching Dream Again, and happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays. Thanks for coming.
Bye.
I think the frog is back.
Oh, well, then maybe you should drink something.
Yeah.
I still don't see a frog. I think you're making this frog up.
It hopped at you.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
You just hopped on me. Maybe you should drink some water.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Too much sugar in my Cheerios. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go get some water for the frog because the frog
you
is
go
thirsty.
get some water.
Okay. Bye.
Kids, this is what I have to do every day. I've got a frog in my mouth. I got a bee in my ear. I got a mosquito in my nose. Every day. I mean, what does she have? A whole zoo in her head? Actually, her imagination is a little bit wild. Like a wild zoo. Olivia, wild zoo imagination. Too much sugar in her Cheerios. She does it every day. You know, I need to stop her giving cocochinos. That's the thing. But now I want one. Oh, I should get myself one. Yeah, I need more energy. I can definitely always have more energy. Okay, bye kids!
Saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Whither sailed those ships all 3 on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day? Whither sailed those ships all 3 on Christmas Day in the morning? They sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Oh, they sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day in the morning. All the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. All the bells on earth shall ring on Christmas Day in the morning. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. And all the souls on earth shall sing on Christmas Day in the morning. Then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day in the morning.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!